Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I received a message from Vincent on one of my latest YouTube video asking me to do a video on Redtone Digital Berhad. According to Vincent, he is bullish on this stock since one of the single largest shareholder is related to our impending new Argo. I find this stock to be an interesting one, and here in this video today, I will share with everyone what I have uncovered on this stock. And if you are also keen to find out, make sure you watch this video till the end. So, Redtone Digital Berhad bearing stock ticker Redtone 0032 is an investment holding company providing integrated telecommunication and digital infrastructure services in Malaysia. Sounds like normal, right? So what is so interesting about this stock? So you may ask. The interesting part about this stock is the composition of its shareholders. If you were to dig it further, you would have known that Yang Amat Mulia Tunku Tun Aminah binti Sultan Ibrahim Ismail has been appointed to the board of directors of Redtone Digital Berhad since 3rd of March 2017, and she is the daughter of Sultan of Johor Duli Yang Maha Mulia Sultan Ibrahim Ismail, who is a major shareholder of Redtone Digital Berhad. From this table, we could see that Redtone's Digital Berhad top major shareholders are made up of Berjaya Corp Berhad holding 39.3%, and the next one is the Duli Yang Maha Mulia Johor holding 17.3%. If up to this point you are still thinking to yourself, so what? This means you are really clueless about our beloved country, that is Malaysia's political scene. The Johor ruler is set to become Malaysia's next king, replacing Al Sultan Abdullah Riayatuddin Al Mustafa Billah, who will step down on 30th January this year. And the Johor ruler Sultan Ibrahim Sultan Iskandar will be installed as the next Malaysia's king from January 31st this year for a 5-year term, and this will be the first time he will be holding this post and 34 years after his father's reign. With his impending installation as the next king, the euphoria in those stock related to him over this element is so evident by the movement of these stocks. For example, look at Redtone stock prices. You could see from the chart, since 2nd January this year till now, Redtone stock prices has been rallying and has since rallied by 15.31% from a low of 69.5 cents to now trading at around 79.5 cents. To me, this is pure speculative and more of a FOMO movement. So will I join in the bandwagon? I will only buy into Redtone when the market maker is doing its accumulation. From the stock chart now, it is quite clear that the market maker is more than happy to do its distribution to the FOMO retailers. The current bullish momentum may be able to last till the next strong resistance level at around 82 to 82.5 cents. So do watch this video till the end, where I will share my strategy on the stock. Now allow me to share with you the Redtone's financial health and fundamental. If we are to look at its income statement, we could see that Redtone is a profitable company with increasing revenue for the past 4 years since 2020. And by looking at its balance sheet, it is always good to see how Redtone has been growing its stockholders' equity over the years, because one of the primary reasons for an increase in the stockholders' equity is due to an increase in retained earnings. And when I look at this cash flow statement, I could also see that Redtone is having positive cash flow from its operation and has a healthy positive free cash flow year over year. So now that I know Redtone Digital is a profitable company with a healthy balance sheet, let us now take a look at its latest chart pattern. We could see from the chart, Redtone stock price gapped down on 17 November last year due to less favorable quarter earnings numbers. Its profit attributable to owners plunged to 2.7 million ringgit in the fiscal first quarter ended September 30th from 14 million ringgit a year earlier. The stock plunged from last close at 78 cents on 16 November all the way down to around 64 to 64.5 cents on the 7th December last year. That is a crash of 17.89% within 3 weeks. So if you have bought into Redtone back then at around 64 to 65 cents and held it till now, you would have backed in a total of about 34% profit gain. This is one of the obvious reasons why I personally do not FOMO in to buy when the stock price has rallied up by so much, because the probability of a pullback based on technical is high, and if there is any additional negative news, it would easily give the opportunity to the market maker to dump the stock further down to the retailers even more so that they could buy it back cheap later. If you are currently already in Redtone trade, just beware of the next strong resistance at around 82 to 82.5 cents, where the possibility of a pullback once it hit this level is quite high. And look at the RSI indicator below here. It is about to reach an extended level 2. This bullish momentum would likely last till the day of the installation of the king, that is on the 31st January this year, and after that it should fizzle out and Redtone stock prices should make a pullback down. And the next important factor you may also want to pay attention to if you are currently already in Redtone trade is that its next quarterly earning is estimated to be released around 16 February this year. If you have already made good profit prior to the earning date, it is best for you to lock in your profit and exit from Redtone trade first. You definitely would not want to be caught in another gap down scenario like what occurred in November last year, should the quarterly earnings numbers came out to be less favorable too. To me, what is the hurry to get into Redtone? Remember that I always want to be in the same page with the market maker. When the market maker is distributing the stock that is selling, I would want to be on the same side and sell it too if I am already in the trade. Or if not, I will not buy into it yet. I will only start to buy into it when I see the market maker start accumulating the stock. If you have watched this video till this far, this means you must have enjoyed the content of this video. Making video is really never easy. I put in hours and hours of research and into putting up this video all together. So it would be nice if you could smash onto the like button to show me some love and also motivate me to make more of such videos in the near future.